Understanding the word mall. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a common word that you might hear when talking about places to shop or hang out. That word is mall. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what a mall is and how it's used in everyday English. A mall, in its most popular usage, refers to a large building or series of connected buildings that house a variety of retail stores and often restaurants or entertainment venues. Think of it as a big shopping center where you can find multiple stores all in one place. Interestingly, the word mall originally referred to a game where players hit a ball with a mallet through an elevated track, or its alley. Over time, this term was used to describe a promenade or shaded walkway. In the U.S., during the 20th century, as shopping centers became more popular, this term evolved to mean a large area with multiple stores. There are different types of malls based on their size and the services they offer. 1. Strip mall. A series of stores in a row, usually with parking in front. 2. Shopping center. A larger area with several stores, not necessarily enclosed. 3. Super regional mall. A very large mall with many stores, often including major department stores, movie theaters, and food courts. Let's see how the word mall can be used in everyday English. 1. I'm heading to the mall to buy a new pair of shoes. 2. The new mall downtown has a cinema and an ice skating rink. 3. Can you recommend a good restaurant in the mall? Now that you understand what a mall is, you can confidently use the word in your daily conversations and understand its context when others use it. Happy shopping, and we hope this video has been helpful in expanding your English vocabulary.